Output demo. Report walkthrough. Code walkthrough.
First of all, I included header files gl/glut.h, windows.h and cmath and started with the main function. In the body, I initialized the program with the OpenGL API using glutinit so that my program can work with the windowing environment and graphical window output. Here I have passed two parameters accepted from the main function, argument count and array of strings. To define the graphics window, I then used glutinit display mode to set up my model to work in RGB color and work with two buffers glut_double. This is done so that one buffer is visible whereas the other is not. The buffer that is not currently visible is rendered. When the frame is rendered, the buffers are swapped, making the one just rendered visible. The one that was previously visible is now invisible, and it is used for rendering the next frame. Then, with glutinit window position, I defined the position of the window where two parameters passed are 250 and 50. It increases the value of x with 250 and y with 50 from the top left corner of my screen. Similarly, I have sized the window as 900 by 600, width and height, using glutinit window size. Finally, the window is created with the name Heartbeat using OpenGL using glut create window. Now, I called display callback function with glut display func from where I animated Heartbeat. In the parameter, the function pointer passed is function display. I have also used glut idle func, which sets the global idle callback to be func so the glut program can perform background processing tasks or continuous animation when window system events are not being received. With it, the idle callback is continuously called when events are not being received. The callback routine has no parameters. The current window and current menu will not be changed before the idle callback. Then, the function glut main loop is used to make the main function keep on executing in a loop to be able to see the window created and operations performed on it. 3. In display function, since it is a function pointer, it is initialized with 0 parameters and void. Firstly, I cleared the background by clearing the frame buffer using GL clear with parameter GL_color_buffer_bit. I made the background black by using GL clear color and passing parameters 0 for all red, green, and blue values. Then with gluortho2D I set up two-dimensional orthographic viewing region where parameters passed are -2, 3-2, 3, which creates a projection matrix, which maps -2 to the left border of the viewport, 3 to the right, -2 to the bottom and 3 to the top. Now, to animate the heart, I set the drawing color of the heart to red with GL color 3F where parameters passed are 1, 0, 0, which represents values for red, green, and blue intensities. Then, I have called the heart function where the heart lies in glutswap buffers is used, which swaps the buffers of the current window if double buffered. In heart function, a delay is used with sleep to wait for a current thread for a specified time 150. Then I use GL begin to group the values as one single object entity and set the way I am going to use the values, which takes parameter GL_polygon to make heart, and the group is ended with glend. The following function makes the heart. Fig, mathematical function to make heart. In the above function, two functions are used to create a heart. One for creating an upside-down heart and another for the bottom of the heart. I had to try different approaches to make a heart involving the loop to correspond curve values. 4. Fig, top part of heart and its mathematical visualization. Similarly, to find the correct shape and adjust it, different ranges were researched and successfully found and corrected after repeated self-trial using brute forcing. Fig, bottom part of heart. Then, finally I have used a beep function with parameters 1000-150 to set up time so that when buffers are swapped between big heart and small heart, the sound makes the animation legit with a heartbeat effect. Delay is used to hold the state of heart as it is.
Thank you.